Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing. My mother came in just now and gave me some AirPods for my birthday. I decided I would just unbox it for you guys because I'm overly excited. I've never thought I would ever get a pair of AirPods because this is for rich folks. I'm poor, so I'm shook right now. All right, so let's just get right into it. Got my knife. By the way, I'm not a tech channel, so don't expect tech reviews or unboxings, but if I do get some new stuff, I will definitely show you guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. They have the embossing of the pods on here. It comes with the AirPods with charging case. It has a cord with it. Okay, let's... Designed by Apple in California. So what we have in here? Some instructions, how to pair it. And we have the AirPods. Take this film off. Oh, okay. What? Are you kidding me right now? Oh, I have my iPad here and it's already asking to pair. Connect. And it has the percentage of the charge on here too. What? So does that mean I can just already use them? Okay. What? You guys can't hear, but I can hear. Are you kidding me? Oh, and also comes with a charging cable. I thought so, but I was like, where it's at? Yo, I'm so shook right now. The only thing is I'm nervous about losing these, but they fit in the ear pretty snug. Like they ain't moving, no, look. Stiff wear. They ain't moving. But I am nervous because I wonder if there's like a case, a charging case that has like a, I don't know, like a rope to tie it onto so you can put it on your wrist or put it on your backpack or something so you make sure you always have this. Because I don't think these aren't falling out of my ear, but if I'm having them in here and this is misplaced, I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's my AirPods unboxing. Let me know if you have some, the newer ones, the pro ones, you like those. And I would never think to get something like this for myself. But now I have it, I'm kind of shook and excited to see how I'm gonna use this. And I wonder how far you can be from your device to still listen. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.